What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the network has revealed new details regarding the new iPhones 2022, the latest features, charging speed, new colors and so on. Please watch the full video content. Apple will hold a presentation of the iPhone 14 on September 7, reported by Bloomberg. Apple will hold an event on September 7 to introduce the iPhone 14 smartphones. According to Bloomberg, citing anonymous sources familiar with the matter, author Mark Gurman notes that the event could be rescheduled to be slightly later date. But given that the company usually holds the presentation in the first half of September, this seems unlikely. Since the world has not yet finished with the COVID-19 pandemic, the presentation of new Apple devices will be held as a part of an online broadcast, says Mark Gurman. Announcement of the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphones are expected at the event. Models with the word Pro in the name may receive more significant changes compared to their predecessors. Before that, there were rumors that the company would abandon the bangs in them and transfer the front camera to a cutout in the screen. The screen itself will receive the always-on display function, and the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will use new generation A series processors as the bases. At the same time, regular iPhone 14s will retain the old notch design and possible the current Apple A15 Bionic chipset. In recent years, Apple releases smartphones shortly after their presentation. According to Mark Gurman, the company reached out to its store employees and told them to prepare for the release of new products around September 16th. All of the color choices for the Apple iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max will allegedly be revealed in a considerable information dump, along with various details that we have been previously reported elsewhere. The same sources claim that the iPhone 14 devices will enjoy a slightly bumped up charging speed. First off, it appears those looking to purchase either an Apple iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Max will get to choose from green, purple, blue, black, white and red in terms of handset color. The source is seemingly 80% confident about this, and there have been other leaders who have mentioned the inclusion of colors such as green and purple. As for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, fans can expect green, purple, silver, gold and graphite color choices. When it comes to charging speed, it is alleged that the iPhone 14 devices will support 30-watt charging speeds, although heat development will apparently reduce that figure to 25 to 27 watts. Unfortunately, it appears that wireless charging for the iPhone 14 won't be bumped up, with a 15 watts MagSafe wireless charging rate remaining in place. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.